Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you the classic Indian street food called Pav Bhaji. Pav Bhaji is one dish loved by people of all ages and cooked with different variations in different households. It is made with potatoes and vegetables cooked in an onion tomato base and enjoyed with butter soaked power bread. Let's look at the ingredients. We need few florets of cauliflower, some peas about half a cup, some chopped cabbage and 2 big potatoes. We are going to boil all these vegetables. To fry we need 1 medium onion, some red, green and yellow bell peppers and half a cup of peas. About 5 to 6 chopped tomatoes and whole onion of garlic. Spices we are going to use 4 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, some salt to taste, and here I am using store-bought Pav Bhaji masala. You can use any brand. First we are going to boil the vegetables, so add in cauliflower, peas, potatoes and cabbage in a pressure cooker. I have made big pieces of potato. Add about 1.5 cups of water and we are going to cook it for about 4 to 5 whistles. Let the pressure cooker cool down and open after 15 to 20 minutes. Notice that the vegetables are nicely boiled, so now we will mash them. So just with the help of a masher, mash it for about 20 to 30 seconds just like that. I'm going to use a wide pan to make the bhaji, so add in a big chunk of butter in the pan. I just chopped that butter into small pieces to kind of help melt it faster. Add in the onions and saute them well. While the onions are frying, I'm going to make a coarse paste of the garlic. So just with the help of a grinder without adding any water, here we have the coarse garlic paste. Go ahead and add that in the onions. Fry them well. Some people also like to add ginger paste in Pav Bhaji, but classic version it always contains only garlic. Once it's nicely fried, we're going to add in the vegetables. So add in yellow, green and red bell peppers, some peas and fry them well. Saute it well for about 15 to 20 seconds. The heat is on medium. We are now going to cover it and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll open and start adding the spices. So add in turmeric powder, red chili powder and Pav Bhaji masala. Also add in some salt. Mix well. Coat all the vegetables with all these spices. So stir them for at least 30 to 40 seconds until everything is mixed well. Now we are going to cover and cook it on a medium flame for 3 to 5 minutes. Open after 5 minutes. Wow, such an amazing aroma. Add in the chopped tomatoes. Mix it well. The amount of tomatoes we use for Pav Bhaji is double those of onions and capsicum. That is to give that tangy flavor and nice red color. After 5 minutes, you'll notice that the gravy is kind of become watery and the tomatoes have also kind of softened a bit. Now we'll drop in the mashed vegetables. Mix it really well. This will take about a minute or so, so just keep moving your hands and mix it well. Now we'll cover and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, open it and give it a quick stir. Add the remaining salt. While making any curries, always, before adding salt, make sure to taste it so that, you are well aware how seasoned it is. So since this is a lot of quantity, I had to add in extra. We are going to cover and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the Pav Bhaji is almost ready. Add in the chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick stir. The bhaji is ready. I'm going to go ahead and switch off the flame and cover it and keep it on the side. Let's look at how to fry the pav for pav bhaji. So add in some chunks of butter, and as they start to melt, add in some bhaji and some pav bhaji masala. Just spread it like that, and now drop in the pav. This is the classic street style frying of pav. So just add extra butter on the other side and flip them over. You're not going to really toast it, just keep them shiny and kind of soaked in that butter. Now they're ready. Take them out and enjoy your pav bhaji. It's so yummy. Hope you liked today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.